Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel To The Point. In this video, we will learn solving quadratic equations by using the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula and the discriminant. Consider the standard form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 where ax is not equal to 0. The discriminant d of a quadratic equation determines the number and type of solution where discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. This equation that is called discriminant determines the number and type of solutions. If discriminant is equal to 0, then there exists one real solution. If discriminant is greater than 0, then there exists two unique real solutions. If discriminant is less than 0, then there exists no real solution. Two complex solutions exist. Quadratic formula gives the following solutions: b square plus minus under root b square minus 4ac, where b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant, over 2a. It can also be written as minus b plus minus under root d. D denotes the discriminant over 2a. Example 1. Using the quadratic formula. Use the quadratic formula to find any real solution of the equation 6x square plus 11x plus 3 equals 0. This is already in the form x square plus bx plus c, that is called the standard form of the quadratic equation, with a equals 6, b equals 11 and c equals 3. The discriminant is then here b equals 6, that's why b square is equal to 11 square minus 4ac, 4, 6, 3. After solving this we will get 49, that is greater than 0. So there will be two real solutions given by this formula. By solving we will get, the first is minus 3 by 2 and the second one is minus 1 by 3. Example number 2. Use the quadratic formula to find any real solutions of the equation 2x square minus 6x is equal to minus 3. First of all, we will convert this equation to the standard form. That will give the value of a, b and c. Then we determine the discriminant d equals b square minus 4ac, that will give us 12, that is greater than 0. So there will be the two real solutions because the discriminant is greater than 0. So after solving we will get 3 minus under root 3 over 2, 3 plus under root 3 over 2. The solution set is this. Example number 3. Using the quadratic formula. Use the quadratic formula to find any real solutions if they exist of the equation. First of all, we will convert this equation to the standard form. This is the standard form ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Then a equals 4, b equals 8, c equals 4. By using these values we will find the discriminant of this equation, and after that we put this discriminant in the quadratic formula and it will give us the two solutions. Only one real solution, that is minus 1. Note that the equation is equivalent to the factored form 4 into x plus 1 square equals 0. You should always factor out common factors before doing anything else. This makes the calculation simpler. Example number 4. Using the quadratic formula. Use the quadratic formula to find any real solutions if they exist of the equation. So this is the equation given. First of all, we will convert this equation into the standard form. This is the standard form of the quadratic equation. After that, we will write the values of a, b and c. Then the discriminant d equals b square minus 4ac putting the values, it will give us minus 24, that is less than 0. So there will be no real solutions because the discriminant is less than 0. The solution set is therefore the empty set phi, or empty set can be written as. Summary of procedures using quadratic formula. So this page gives us the conclusion of the quadratic formula. First we put the quadratic equation into the standard form, removing any factor to simplify the calculation. This is the standard form. Find the values of a, b and c. This is the first step. And the second step, evaluate the discriminant d equals b square minus 4ac. If discriminant equals 0, then there will be one real solution. If discriminant greater than 0, there will be two real solutions. If discriminant less than 0, there will be one real solution. So these three properties are very important, also in MCQs, multiple choice questions. If real solutions exist, evaluate them using the quadratic formula. This is the quadratic formula where b square minus 4ac is the discriminant d. In general, once in standard form, and you can easily see a factorization then factor. Otherwise you should use the quadratic formula or completing the square to find the solution. So guys, this was the lecture. I hope you will understand it. Hit the bell icon and press the subscribe button and be part of the conversation. Allah Hafiz.